What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video on 570 channel. So my KTM Duke is behind those garage doors because I did something a little bit crazy with it. I think you might be a little bit surprised. So I want to keep the suspense going a little bit. Don't skip ahead on this video, just watch this. So here's what happened. I wrap cars, not for a living, but for a hobby. Like this whole smart car right here is just a big old sticker on there. And I found an interesting color that I thought would go really well with KTM orange. And I thought, you know, if I don't like it, I can always just peel it back off. But I ended up kind of really liking it. So you want to see what I did? Check out what I did to my KTM Duke. I turned it into an e-bike, a Rad Rover e-bike. No, I just had that for more suspense. So here's a better look at what I did to it in the sun. Blue carbon fiber wrap on the front fender, added it up here above the headlight, down here on the back of the bike to kind of tie it all together. I think it looks pretty cool. Oh, and I added that white stripe right there above the Duke too, which will tie in the white on the wheel tapes. So what do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I actually love it. And if I end up getting tired of it, all I got to do is peel it off and it goes right back to the original. I'm just so super happy with it. 570 logo down there. Doesn't it look awesome? I mean, give me your honest opinion. If you don't like it, tell me. I can take it. Guys like us that ride little sport bikes, we don't have to overcompensate for anything. We can certainly take it. I mean, obviously, that's my bike and this is my car, so certainly not trying to overcompensate for anything. I can take the heat if you don't like it. But that's the big reveal of my Duke with blue carbon fiber wrap and a little white stripe on it. New changes, new look for the bike. Give me a thumbs up if you like it or a thumbs down if you dislike it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.